In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free things in the Minecraft marketplace. Now, there's two ways to do this. There's Minecraft Java and there's Minecraft Bedrock. So first, I'm going to show you for Minecraft Java, if you go to the Minecraft.net website, and if you're logged into your account, we're going to go to the marketplace to find free items. So click on the shop in the top navigation, and then click on marketplace. And when you're in marketplace, you can click on the category you want. We're going to try and get to where we have the filter options. So I'm going to click on skin packs. And then while I'm in here, I'm just going to type in skin. And then now you see we're in the marketplace. We have the different search function within the marketplace, and we can sort by best match, most recent, or A to Z. And then here is the filters option. So I'm going to click on filters, and then the minimum price is free. So I'm going to click and drag that slider so that the minimum price and the max price is 1. I'm going to click apply. And then here you can see the free options in the Minecraft marketplace. So now you can go ahead and start typing in different things in the search bar. And then this is how you can find the different free things within the marketplace. Now next, I'm going to show you in Minecraft Bedrock. We're going to open up our Minecraft launcher. And then once we've opened up Minecraft launcher, we're going to open up the Bedrock Edition. And this is very similar to the marketplace that's on the website. So I'm going to click on marketplace. And then here, I'm going to click on the magnifying glass in the top right. This will allow me to filter what I want. So click on the magnifying glass. And then here is this filter option. We're going to click on this funnel to filter. And then we're going to click into whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to click on pack types. I'm going to click on skins. And then I'm going to click back. And then now that we've filtered by skins, I'm going to click on this sorting option. And then here you can see price low to high. So I'm going to select that. And then now here are all the free options within the marketplace for Bedrock. So those are two different ways you can get free things in the Minecraft marketplace. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.